Okay, so today we're going to be doing making code where when you run it, you can input your name and then it'll say hello name, hello your name, like this. So this is the code. What this does is when you run this, it'll ask you to enter your name, and when you enter it, the variable name, it'll go down here and it'll say hello. And then it'll put in the variable name. Instead of this, it'll replace it with the name you input, and then it'll put exclamation mark. So we are gonna put example name. Hello, example name. To truly see what this does, we're gonna go into debugger mode. So I am just gonna put example. When you click enter, the name is example, so it'll replace name with example. Step over, it says hello example, and then the program's finished. It's easy code to get like people to input their names. So yeah, hope you enjoyed today's video. Bye.